In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to configure a Fortinet access point. So first, make sure you open your browser and log into FortiGate interface using its IP address. So as you can see in here, I don't have an access to their IP address, but I am with their website. So assumingly we have an access to their IP address. Enter your username and password to access the dashboard. And then after that, navigate to Wi-Fi and switch controller in the left side menu. Ensure the FortiApp profile option is enabled. And this allows FortiGate to manage Fortinet access points. And then to connect the FortiApp to your network, physically connect the FortiApp to your network via an Ethernet cable. So I don't have that. So make sure you have an Ethernet cable. Power it on and ensure it gets on IP address from your DHCP server. And then discover the FortiApp. Go to the Wi-Fi and switch controller. Manage FortiApps in the FortiGate interface, and then the access point should appear in the list if it doesn't. Check the network connection or reboot the device. And then once the FortiApp appears, it will likely be in an unauthorized state. Select the FortiApp and click Authorize to allow it to connect to your FortiGate. Now, go to Wi-Fi and switch controller, SSS ID, and click Create New. And then enter the SSS ID name. This is the Wi-Fi name your users will see. Then after that, set the security mode, for example, WPA2 or WPA3, and enter the passphrase. And after that, go back to Manage FortiApps and select the FortiApp you authorize. Edit its configuration and assign the SSS ID you created to the appropriate Wi-Fi radio. And then after that, test the Wi-Fi connection, disconnect from your current network and connect to the new SSS ID. And then verify that the devices can connect and access the internet. And then after that, use the dashboard or Wi-Fi and switch controller. And then go to Manage FortiApp section to monitor signal strength and connected devices and performance. And that's it. That's how to configure a Fortinet access point. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.